Today we are gonna make quick and easy banana oat smoothie. It's filling, protein rich and great for fat loss. So let's get started. First take a grinder, then take one ripe banana, put it in the grinder, add half a tablespoon of sesame seeds, half a tablespoon of flax seeds, half a tablespoon of chia seeds, and then add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder if you want the chocolate flavor. And then scrape the banana peel with a spoon. The banana peel contains a lot of vital nutrients, so always remember to scrape the banana peel, or you can even rub the banana peel on your face. It's great to reduce wrinkle and brighten your face. And then add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. If you don't have peanut butter, you can use roasted peanuts. Add milk of your choice, any vegan milk or cow milk, whatever you prefer. Add your favorite oats and then grind. Pour it in a glass and then top up with some cacao nibs and peanuts. Finally, enjoy the great smoothie.